3,000 horsepower truck. But for all the new people, welcome. Don't forget, go ahead, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and smash that subscribe button for me. Let's grow this channel. But we got the wife took some footage, some videos, I guess, of the tractor pull she went to. Sorry it's windy, it's probably gonna be all staticky and everything, but oh well, who cares. But anyways, wife took some videos of a tractor and truck pull she went to. There's like a 3,000 horsepower truck that did a full pull. But yeah, so got that coming. And we got some more goodies coming for you this year. Gonna try to buy well, can't tell you what kind of car I'm saving up to buy. It's a surprise, so stick around. Welcome to the channel.